Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring you're in the right place. Open Google Pay while signed into the Google account that shows the Gmail address you want removed. Once opened, make sure the app is updated and your device is unlocked. Outdated apps cause missing menus. Then, tap your profile icon or settings and navigate to Accounts or Payment Methods so you can see the linked emails. This gets you straight to the controls you need without extra steps. Now proceed to the Account Management area. Now find the Gmail address inside Profiles, Accounts, or Payment Settings. You'll tap the specific account entry, then choose Remove, Disconnect, or Sign Out depending on the option Google Pay presents. Because Google Pay links payment methods to accounts, make sure you check for any active cards or subscriptions tied to that email. Reassign them if prompted. Once you confirm removal, Google Pay will unlink the Gmail from the app. If you see prompts about permissions, approve or deny, finish by verifying the Gmail is gone from Google Pay's account list. Close and reopen the app to refresh the UI. If the address still appears, sign out of the device's Google account in Settings Accounts, then sign back in and retry removal in Google Pay. Make sure no payments or subscriptions are blocking removal. If problems persist, check account permissions and connected services, and contact Google support for persistent links. That troubleshooting step resolves most stuck removals. Now confirm everything functions normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.